apps and improves on-device performance and battery life. Also, with the additional 90 Hz adaptive refresh rate and the architecture on the system helps achieve substantially longer battery life. Gesture Turbo makes usage smooth and helps by adding convenience to your everyday life. Also, a lighter user experience which puts you in control. Now you can manage system apps according to your usage. This helps to free up space used by unused apps. Thirdly, the powerful Notes app. Introduction of new dynamic features which allow users to be more creative. It also has doodling and drawing tools and an easier way to create mind maps. Now you can structure your thoughts even better. Lastly, MIUI 12.5 also has the RAM booster feature which we have spoken about earlier. As you know, we at Redmi believe in delivering products with the highest quality, and the Redmi Note 11T 5G is no exception. The smartphone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass to prevent any unwanted or accidental scratches. The phone is also IP53 protected, which means it is dust and splash proof. The smartphone also has dual graphite sheets for heat dissipation, corrosion proof ports, and rubberized seals to ensure your smartphone can really adapt to your lifestyle. Apart from all of these quality features, the Redmi Note 11T 5G also brings with it dual speakers with dual mics, the X-axis linear vibration motor, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner with double-tap shortcuts, an infrared blaster, a 3.5mm audio jack which is high-res audio certified and is made in India. So there you see how the Redmi Note 11T 5G is ready to make you the next gen racer. It comes with the Dimensity 810 6nm architecture chipset, the power of 5G with a
আমাদের সাথে আজকে রয়েছে Oppo A95 দেশের বাজারে দুইটি কালার ভ্যারিয়েন্টে
refresh rate. So here's a small sneak peek into the next gen racer, the Redmi Note 11T 5G. Now that you've heard everything that there is to about the next gen racer, there is still one final detail which I'm sure you're interested in: the pricing. The Redmi Note 11T 5G comes in 3 different variants: 6GB, 64GB, 6GB, 128GB, and 8GB, 128GB. The 6GB, 64GB variant will be available at only Rs 16,999. The 6GB, 128GB variant will be available at only Rs 17,999, and the 8GB, 128GB variant will be available at only Rs 19,999. There is also a special introductory discount of Rs 1,000 and an additional Rs 1,000 off with ICICI Bank credit cards and EMI. So, with both of these put together, the effective introductory prices are 6GB, 64GB at 14,999 rupees only, 6GB, 128GB at 15,999 rupees only, and the 8GB, 128GB variant at Rs 17,999 only. The Redmi Note 11T 5G will be available from the 7th of December 2021 across Mi.com, Mi Home, Amazon, Mi Studios, Mi Stores, and our retail partners. That's all from me for today. Stay tuned, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Goodbye. Us to take even bolder steps going